Hi everyone, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a massive in-scale unboxing, bunch of cars, and a new locomotive. We're going to start with the cars and work our way up to the engine. The engine has actually been unboxed and tested, so it has already passed the preliminary inspections for my layout, and we're going to actually have some fun tonight. So we're going to look at some cool stuff and we'll go from there. This is a cool piece. This is a Model Power banana car. It's bananas, all fruit. And this one's cool, and this is actually a collector's car. And this is a really pretty Model Power piece. Shiny wheels on it. It looks basically immaculate. And Model Power is very affordable, and they have pretty good models. So Model Power definitely underappreciated. So that's one. Next was a pretty cool find that you don't find too often is this guy. It is a CSX air slide hopper by Microtrains, custom weathered. And this one's actually cool because you don't see these often. You'll see these on ethanol trains using as buffer cars. Sometimes you'll get them on a manifest, but they're cool to catch. You don't see these too often. The sides are weathered, and so is the underside. The underside looks really cool weathered. So, incredible detail by Microtrains. I swear by Microtrains parts, and they are awesome. Next, it's in a different case, but it is a Bachmann. It's a covered hopper decorated for cotton belt. I will have to get new trucks for it. This one has definitely seen the rails. I'm going to get Bachmann parts for him, and we're going to get him coupled up with some new stuff. So maybe Buster might get him. Buster might be getting a little upgrade. So yes, definitely love seeing this. And the cotton belt stuff is kind of hard to find. So if you find anything cotton belt, pick it up because it's definitely something out there to find. They were a subsidiary of the Southern Pacific, and that was all absorbed in 1996 when UP bought the company. Let's see. Next piece is a Wabash gondola with scrap load by Rapido. It's like a early 1900s gondola theme, and it has a cool scrap load. Pretty cool. I like seeing gondolas. I don't have a lot of gondolas, but this one's pretty cool. Buster's got a couple, and maybe I could throw this one on the modern one with the transition car. So I like this one. And Rapido, another brand that's underappreciated. And this one was actually made in Germany. Kind of cool. Next, I have two new Atlas cars that are Southern. The 6079 and the 900 175. Both are Atlas. These are cool. I have another Southern Atlas hopper. This one's a 2-bay. 280249 is the road number. The black one is a 2-bay, and the 6079 is a 3-bay. It's all going to go well with this. You guys are probably wondering, what have you done now, Pat? Well, my birthday was the other day, and I got this for my birthday this year. It is the 2601, the GP30, like I have an HO, by Scale Trains rivet counter. And you can just see the detail is immaculate on this engine. I've already done the preliminary test with this thing. It's awesome. I can't wait to just pull it with 6074 and have some of the Southern cars with it as well. Because I have another Southern engine in scale, which is my lifelike. That's going to be with the older set with Buster. This one's going to be with the modern stuff with the 6074 and even the NS-8 and some of the other representatives. So, love seeing this. Love seeing this. The detail on the engine is just absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see, the couplers, they have changed to the Microtrains. I think these are Microtrains couplers on this thing. which I can tell that by the design of the coupler as well. They're not the traditional scale trains couplers, but the detail is immaculate, and I've already done a review of the GP30 and the history of it. I did the HO version, so if you have not yet looked at the review of the GP30, please take a look at that. That's back about a year, but this is the N-scale version. I have both the N-scale and HO versions of this locomotive. A friend of mine got this version in DCC and Sound for N-gauge. He's excited about getting it. So, really, really loving this piece. Really loving it. So, I think I have one of these with Buster. Hey, a little Southern gal will get this one. Put some new trucks on this one, and some other trucks on the other Southern, and kind of mix up some of the cars. So I have a lot of cars, so I can mix and match and do some with whatever I want to do. So I'm excited about this, and I've done the preliminary test for Southern 2601 for N-gauge. It is good to go. The lights are good in it. It runs great. And the good thing about it is I'm excited about having this. I'll put some brand new fresh oil in it. Be ready to rock and roll. And she'll be good to go. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this massive unboxing. Been meaning to do one of these for a while, so good to see that we were able to get some stuff done. And but I really, really like not just the engine and the Southern cars, but I really like this one, the slide, the air slide, and also the banana car. The banana cars you don't see. You don't find these often, so there are some rarities out there that you can find, but the air slide hoppers on the real trains, you don't see these often. If you ever find one in N-scale, pick it up because they're very hard to come by. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed and hope to see you all down the main soon and more premieres coming soon. Until next time, I'd like to thank you all so much for watching.